3 o'clock. The Local 10 News.
A father taking legal action following the death of his son who has autism. He says his son was killed by 3 caretakers at a group home in North Miami back in 2021. Local 10's Annalise Garcia has details on the wrongful death lawsuit.
And a warning, that surveillance video that did catch everything is difficult to watch. Now, this group home, which is still up and running, is saying they fall under a certain immunity that nurse registries qualify for. These attorneys filing the wrongful death lawsuit tell us that's not the case.
Edward was only 36 years old when he was brutally murdered by people who were supposed to be caring for him. He was the light of my life.
A father begging for justice for his son.
At the time of his murder, I was on speakerphone talking to my son. The last memory I have of him is hearing the caretakers wrestle him to the floor, hearing him struggle and hearing him take his last breath.
It's been 2 years since Edward Ware, a man with autism, died while residing at Care Assist Home Care in North Miami.
What happened here, what happened behind us, was murder.
It was December 2021. Surveillance video shows 3 group home care providers physically restraining Ware by laying on top of him for over 4 minutes. Police say the victim became unresponsive and stopped breathing.
He trusted them to provide staffing to protect his son, to keep his son safe. And instead, they killed his son.
An autopsy report says the cause of death was mechanical asphyxia, a result from the techniques that the defendants performed. The trio seen in the surveillance video on top of Ware were arrested. Ware's father now filing a wrongful death lawsuit. His attorneys telling us Care Assist is alleging they fall under immunity that certain nurse registries qualify for.
The concept that you can be a staffing company, you can provide staff to take care of the most vulnerable members of our community and then have absolutely no repercussions, it is outrageous and it shouldn't happen.
And those attorneys you just heard from say that this is a group home and they do not qualify for that immunity. They also tell us they plan to work with state representatives and introduce a bill to wipe out that immunity. Now, we did reach out to Care Assist. We also knocked on the door. There was no management here, so we haven't been able to get an official response from them. As soon as we learn anything else about this case, we'll let you know. We're in North Miami. Annalise Garcia, Local 10 News.